What has this 8210 and a fine wine got in common? They're both worth more now than when they were first produced. And this masterpiece is now available on the Lucky Day website, and you're gonna come with me and we're gonna have a closer look. First up, the rubber. You can't be giving out to me this time because I've got brand new Michelin Omni-Bib 480s on the front and 580s on the rear. All the rims have been completely refurbished and have had a fresh coat of paint, which I think you'll agree look absolutely fabulous, darling. And now we come to the most popular stop on the tour, the back end. There's not much to say here because it completely speaks for itself. Rhino the tractor. Now lads, are you comfortable? Because I have a spiel for you. This engine has had a complete rebuild and it's been fitted with a heap of new auxiliary parts. New radiator, new oil cooler, new water pump, new diesel pump and injectors. New clutch kit, new brakes, the dual power works perfect. All the nuts and bolts have been zinc dipped and it's got full stainless steel piping from the turbo to the exhaust to let everyone know you're a tractor enthusiast. It's on its original air-sprung seat. It's got the Sunday lid for those sunny days and the air conditioning works perfect, which is definitely needed on a day like today. Oh, I can't believe I'm working in these conditions. I should be at home in the garden with a gin and tonic. Are we done yet? The cab has been removed and been completely restored. The doors are in top-notch condition and the digital dash works. No faults. Now there's a heap more spec on the website, but you're gonna have to go and check that out yourself because I don't have the time. Come on. The pickup hitch has been removed and rebuilt and the electric lift works perfect. It has been fitted with these brand new mud guards, genuine brackets. They're f***ing expensive. Check out this original Ford weight block with the centerpiece. Rare. So that concludes the tour of the Ford 8210 Series 3 Turbo. If you'd like to exit to the Lucky Day website and grab yourself a ticket for $14.97, and don't forget to grab yourself a hoodie in the gift shop. Best of luck.